Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top right corner of your screen, click on the three horizontal lines and then go to Settings and Privacy. At the topmost part, you can see Account Center and just click that. And it will lead you to this page where you can see an option that says sharing across profiles and then just tap that. And here you will see all the accounts that are connected to your Meta Account Center. So just choose your Instagram account. So I'm choosing this one. And then here you see all the types of medium or media that is automatically sharing from your Instagram to Facebook. Customize what you want to share by turning the switches on or off. So if you want to stop sharing posts, just toggle the button off beside the Instagram posts. And that's it. That's how you can easily stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!